Hello everyone. This is very familiar topic to you. Voice, passive voice and active voice. And you have been taught this topic from your school days, and even today most of our students find it difficult why this topic is being taught to us, and what is the use of learning active voice and passive voice. So I must tell you, this voice will help you in constructing a variety of sentences, uh, active sentences and passive sentences. And a voice is a grammatical category which denotes whether the action in the verb is done by the subject or it is expressed by agent. And when we change a sentence from active to passive, the first thing, that sentence must have a transitive verb, or there should be an object in the sentence. Otherwise you cannot change into passive voice. Okay. And literally there is no difference in the meaning of active voice sentence and passive voice sentence, but there is the difference of emphasis, there is the difference of importance. For example, look at this first sentence here: English is spoken. This is in passive voice. This sentence is in passive voice. And here it is English is emphasized. The speakers are not important. Who speaks is important. English is spoken here. By whom? By them. But by agent is hidden, or it is not required there. If you change this sentence into active voice, you use they, they. They speak English here. This is the active voice. They, they. They speak English here. When you use active voice, the subject is important. And when you use passive voice, English, the object is important. What is the use of this kind of constructions when we write English or speak English? These passive voice constructions are used in journalism, in newspapers, in magazines, articles, also research papers, and the scientific writings and technical writings, manuals. In these kinds of writings, passive voice constructions are used, and hence it is useful to study active voice and passive voice conversion. Okay. The first sentence, look here, it is in simple present tense, and to make passive we use am, are, is plus past participle or third form of the verb. Okay. English is spoken here. This is in passive voice. What will be the active voice? They speak English here. Okay. Then next is present progressive. Present progressive. The house is being painted. The sentence, the house is being painted. Change into active voice. Take the same subject. They are painting the house. They are painting the house. We are changing passive to active voice. They are painting the house. Okay. In simple past, this is a quick revision, as most of you know how to change, and you know the rules of changing from active to passive. Here we have reverse from passive to active. Simple past sentence, past tense construction here. I wasn't invited, but I went anyway. Take the same subject, they. They didn't invite me, but I went anyway. They didn't invite me, but I went anyway. Next, past progressive, or the same is called past continuous tense. I felt as if I was being watched. I was being watched is past progressive passive voice. Active voice, they were watching me. I felt as if they were watching me. This is the active voice of this sentence. I felt as if they were watching me. Then further we can move to present perfect. Present perfect. This sentence. Has Mary been told? This is yes no type question. And we need to take a subject for it. The same they we take. Has Mary been told? This is present perfect. Have what will be the active voice of this passive construction? Yes, have they told Mary? Question mark. And the passive is, has Mary been told by them? See, we don't use by agent in passive voice. Then next, past perfect. Had been plus past participle. I knew why I had been chosen by them. I knew why they had chosen me. It is past, had, perfect, chosen. They had chosen me. Hence the active voice is, I knew why they had chosen me. Then future here, will future, will be plus past participle. You will be told when the time comes. You will be told when the time comes. An active voice, they will tell you. They will tell you when the time comes. This future perfect will have been plus past participle. Everything will have been done by Tuesday. Everything will have been done by Tuesday. They will have done everything by Tuesday. This is the active voice of this future perfect. But future progressive passives and perfect progressive passives are not common. Okay. And going to future is given here. Amis are going to plus past participle. Who is going to be invited? This is passive voice. And this is the brief survey on passivization and the various verb forms of English verb. Thank you. Thank you.